Ble Scanner App, Ble Scanning Advertising App, #1 scanner utility for Bluetooth Low Energy Scanner, peripheral beacon scanner. So developed to help Bluetooth community developers who wants to build BLE products and applications. Also, Ble Scanner is used by not only developers, but also users are using it to find their lost fitness trackers and other Bluetooth smart devices. You can find some main features. Scan nearby Bluetooth Low Energy, iBeacon, and Eddystone devices. Edit peripheral mode. Create your custom peripheral. Add custom services and characteristics. So yeah, here you can just find it, and that stayed here. So you can just tap get to install. So let's just check it out. Again, there are many apps in this category, so you can just open it up. And then you can then just basically find devices and QR code, barcodes, and then you can just find all of the devices near you who have Bluetooth enabled, and then you can see approximate distance, and then you can try to connect and all of these different devices. So for example, if you lost some phones or some device, speaker, whatever, you can use this app to scan the devices near you and just find it, and then just try to connect. If you have status bonded, and then you can just says not connectable and so on, and then you can see history, you can see favorites. So yeah, super easy and free app to find these Bluetooth devices near you. So that's what it is.